Hello again, this is Ray. I finally got the engine in. I got the gas tank installed. Got the electronics up there, the main support bar. I still have to make the purchase for the rear springs. Have to order in new shocks. They're in there. I have to flip the mounting brackets to the other side. I got the back end all lifted up to how it's supposed to be, and it kind of looks funny with the old nasty looking rims, but that's how much more it actually lifted it. That's about where it's gonna ride. I got the whole other front end over here that was already flipped. I did not do it, but it looks pretty solid to me. I will find out when it's all done. Started sandblasting, but then I ran out of sand. I will be sandblasting the rest of the body. Got to take these off. They just should pop off. I'm gonna fill in all the little holes that they have. And anybody give me a suggestion on what I could do here where the old rubbers used to meet? I don't want to leave it looking like that. I just don't like it. Any suggestions would be grateful. One of the biggest pains in the butt is trying to figure out all the electrical wiring that you did not take apart. I think I got it all put back together. Only thing I can't find is where this little orange wire goes. Anybody know? I don't see anything else orange. It comes out of that box down there. It comes up and just stops here. I have no idea. For the fuel tank that's going to be sitting here, I put in 3 bars underneath it, so hopefully nothing damages the bottom of the gas tank. Still have to fab up a heat shield and a strap that goes over it. And I don't know if you can see, but I did screw it just a little bit, and I made it just a little bit too tall. So I'm gonna have to make a little hole in the seat when I put the seat in, make the seat. So whoever put this on, these things, was a damn magician. It took me probably about a good half an hour to get those 4 little damn bolts out. And I cut my hand. Owie. Out with the old, nasty, small, and with the new. Need to still get a couple more bolts and a new castle nut for the drive thing. Steering rack. Steering rod. There we go, steering rod. But that has definitely a different appearance completely compared to what I started with. Oh, I can't wait to go start driving this thing around. Gonna be hella fun.